National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for South Central Cook County and North Central Texas until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles northwest of Sanger, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over main rural areas of South Central Cook County, including the following locations: Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 482 and 492. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.